Hello my dear kids, welcome back to your English class. Today we are going to continue with the chapter The Sun, Moon and the Stars. I hope you have already read the chapter. Did you find any difficult words, children? Yes? And did you learn those words? Very good. Now today we are going to continue with the chapter with the activities. We will be learning few activities, we will be doing some activities regarding the chapter. Okay, so before moving to the activities, we shall recall the chapter. Shall we? Okay. Now, we learnt about the sun, moon and stars, isn't it? Yes. So, what did we learn about the sun? How does the sun look, children? Yes, the sun looks like a big ball of fire, isn't it? Yes, that is the first point. The sun is a big ball of fire shining brightly in the sky. So that was the first point. How does the sun look? The sun looks like a big ball of fire which is shining brightly in the sky and which is far away from us, isn't it? Next. The next point was, what do we get from the sun? Yes, we get heat and light. So the next point is, the sun gives us heat and light. That was the second point that we learned. Next is, the sun rises in the east and sun sets in the west. Did we learn that? Yes, we learned that the sun is rising from the east. That gives us a new day, the day which we work, study and play. And in the evening, the sun sets in the west and it becomes night, isn't it? Yes, so that was about sun. Next, about moon. So, the moon, how does the moon look? The moon also is in the shape of a ball. It looks like a round and like a ball. The moon is round like a ball. That was the shape of the moon. Yes. Now, it changes its shape to full moon, half moon, C-shaped moon or new moon. We have learned the phases of moon, isn't it? The moon won't be in the same shape every day. It will changes its appearance, it will be changing its appearance, and some days it will be full moon, some day it will be half moon, sometimes we can see it in a C-shaped moon, and sometimes we cannot see a moon at all and we call it a new moon, isn't it? Yes. And the last point is about the twinkling stars in the sky. So the stars twinkle in the sky at night and they look tiny because they are far away from us. Why does the stars look tiny? Because they are far away from us. And the last point was, stars make beautiful patterns in the sky, isn't it? Yes. So these were the points regarding the sun, moon and stars. Now we shall move on to the first activity of this chapter, that is in page 54. The first activity is, fill in the blanks with the correct words from the clouds given. Okay? Now, in the clouds you can see few words. I'll read. Night, stars, west, moon, east, sun. Okay, I'll repeat. The words are night, stars, west, moon, east, sun. You have to pick out the correct answer and write them on the blanks given here. Okay, shall we do it? Yes. So the first question, we see the dash and dash at night. What do we see at night, children? Yes, we see the moon and stars. So you have to pick out moon and stars. And you should write here on the blanks. So start writing. M-O-O-N, moon and stars. We see the moon and stars at night. The next question, the sun rises in the dash. Where does the sun rise? Yes, the sun rises in the east. So you have to write here E-A-S-T, east. Next, we see the dash during the day. What do we see during daytime? When you look up in the sky, what do you see there? Yes, the sun. So you have to write here S-U-N, sun. We see the sun during the day. Fourth one, the sun sets in the dash. Where does the sun set, children? Yes, in the west. So you have to write W-E-S-T, west. And the last question, we see stars in the sky at, where do we see? Yes, we see at night, N-I-G-H-T, night. Okay, so these were the 5 question answers of the first activity. Now we shall move on to page 55. The second activity, that is true or false. Okay, you should say, I'll read the sentence, you must say whether it is true or false. The first one, the moon is very big ball of fire. Does the moon looks like a big ball of fire, children? No, isn't it? It is not so hot as sun. Yeah? So it is false. So you should write here F-A-L-S-E, false. Okay? Did you write it? Please note down immediately. Okay? Next, we see only one star in the sky at night. Is it true? Only one star is there in the sky? No, isn't it? We cannot count them. There are millions of twinkling stars. So the sentence is wrong. So what you should write? Yes, we should write F-A-L-S-E, false. Third one, the sun sets in the west every evening. Is that true or false? It's true. So you should write here T-R-U-E, true. Did you write the answer, children? Yes? Very good. Now, the next one is pick out the nouns and adjectives from the given sentence. From this, the first one, I'll be showing you how to pick out the correct answer and how you should write. The next two are the activities for you which you should find out from the sentences given here and you should write here the answer. Only the first one I'll be showing you. Okay? Yes. The first sentence is, the sun is very big. Okay? The sun is very big. From this, you have to pick out the noun and an adjective. Okay? What is the noun in the sentence? Can you tell me one? Yes. Answer is? Very good. Sun. Sun is the noun. So, where you should write? Here under the heading noun you have to write sun. S-U-N. Sun. And can you pick out an adjective from the sentence, the sun is very big? Yes, the answer is big. So you have to write here B-I-G, big, here. So this is the way you should write the answer. Okay, the sun is very big. From the sentence you have to pick out the correct noun and adjective. Okay, from the sentence we found out that the word sun is a noun. So where you should write? You should write here sun under the heading noun. And where you should write the adjective? Under the heading adjective you should write the answer big. So likewise you have to find out two more questions I have given here. You have to find out the noun and adjective from the sentences given here. Okay. The second sentence is the moon is round like a ball. Okay, there you have to find out nouns and adjective. The stars are tiny. From that you have to find out the nouns and adjective. This is your activity, simple activity which you should do it by yourself. Okay children? Okay. Now turn over the page. You can see 4 question answers. Okay. Now we are going to discuss the question answers. The first question. What gives us heat and light? What gives us heat and light, children? Yes, the sun. So what you should write? The answer is the sun. Repeat after me. The sun gives us heat and light. Okay, so you should write down the answer. See how neatly I have written? You should also write neatly with cursive formations. Okay. So please maintain the spaces, one finger space and write neatly. Okay children. So the first answer is the sun gives us heat and light. The second question. Name 2 things that you see in the clear sky at night. What do you see in the clear sky at night? Not in the morning, at night. What do you see at night? Yes, we can see stars and the moon in the clear sky at night. So what do we see at night? Yes, we can see stars and the moon in the clear sky at night. The next question. The sun is big but it looks small. Why? What is the answer children? Yes, the sun looks small because it is far away from us. So why does the sun look small children? Because the sun is very far away from us. Okay. The last question. What are stars? The beautiful stars. What are stars children? Yes, the stars are heavenly bodies. Repeat. Stars are heavenly bodies that twinkle in the sky at night. So what are stars children? Stars are heavenly bodies that twinkle in the sky at night. So this is about the chapter the sun, moon and stars. I want everybody to write and learn these 4 question answers in your notebook. Okay, and I want everybody to do the activity which I have given you. The first one we have already done. The next 2 is the activity which you have to do it today by yourself. Okay children? Yes. So we shall see in the next class. Thank you.